YouTube, welcome back to the vlogs. 416-876 Jamaican people. Alright now, it's the New Year's, baby. But we are going a different vlog, you know. Right now, I'm on my way head downtown. But this time, I'm going to do it how I usually do it back in the days them. I take a TTC and the train, go downtown. Yeah, man. I want to see if we can get an eating center vlog. Probably show you a couple restaurants and I probably go sit down and eat at. And you know, today train bus and train free now, my people, so just go a different type of vlog. For today, you see it. Yeah, man, it's dark cold out there. But more I'm going on the countdown. You understand? Because see me there at Jamaica. Like last year, me there at Jamaica now. We there at Vice Cartel show. Yeah, man, and we're outside all night for that. So this year, I say, you know what? We're there at Canada. I'm going to see if we can go back to my original days of just being outside to start the New Year's, like the Jamaican tradition. You see it? So right now, I'm going to wait on a one bus, jump on a one bus, hit that one bus, and I'm going to reach downtown. You understand, my people? So, hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog. We might go do a live too, you know. Yeah, man. For the countdown, I'm going to do one live for the countdown too, while we are recording at the boat time. So everybody, thanks again for the 2025 love. You know, now we're going into 2026. So big up to everybody out there who subscribe to the channel and love the house project progress. What we are going to continue doing in the 2026 era. People, be safe out there and drive safe. New Year's Day is no normal day. Police are out there like crazy. So, I don't want to drive. Plus it's a snow hard. When the snow bank in here. So that time, people. Yeah, man, so you don't want to drive in at that time, yeah, man. Yeah, so last year I in there, the year before that, so now look a bit of time still. Everybody, just like, share and subscribe to the channel. The link could reach on the bus. You see it. And then the train. And then reach downtown. I show them just like anybody else has shown you. So anybody can come out of the house and do the one look out too. You see it. People are cool. So right now, we're up on a bus. I haven't been on a bus in a minute still. Because how you see them stop and things like that. But I'm going on a real Toronto type of one Jamaican video. Yeah, man, where I just come to Canada and say, yeah, this is the life. You see it? So come to Canada, you don't say, you know, I'm a rich family and rich friends or bigger cars like that out there for drive and things like that, you know, so you can still get around on the subway, on the TTC at the end of the day. So right now you see up on the bus today down our people. And them upgrade them buses still more too now, so them have the red line are the straight bus. So that get even further and faster to reach your destination. But you don't know, say people love to stop and stop. So I just thought I'd look a problem right there, so I can't really bother. But when I not hear some people, when I know yes, because the train not going to stop just like that unless we go up on the GO train. I take the GO train come back, because that's going to be way up in the night, you see. But I really want to show a different type of videos and stuff like that, so I go out of my way to get on this type of video. So that's cool. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, you know. The Toronto man tour, heading downtown for New Year's Day. We don't go to a Christmas one like that, you know, but that's cool. Soon downtown, soon on the train track. So I think that only took us a good 5-10 minutes, 8 minutes to reach from where I was at to Kennedy Station. So that's not bad at all. We're going to pull up in the station right now. So outside with them people, that's Kennedy Station right there, so we're in the east side, you know. So I'm just showing you while we go along, you know. Video I'll be a chop up video still, but I'm showing you how it is. If you really have to come here and just take bus, it's not a bad thing. Sometimes right now I bust them fast because it's amount of car up on the road. You understand? Me there work in a Scarborough, I don't need no car. I don't need no car. I jump on my bus and I go where I go. I bust them run frequently, you see it? Car now you have to worry about insurance, if you have to do car payment, maintenance, gas and all of them stuff there every month, right? So you buy a 1-2 Metro Pass for the month, $100 that for the month. You know, you just bump your bus and go where you go. No argument if you need. For later night or in a rush, you just book a one Uber and go where you go, look by, look see them way, you know what I mean? But if you're living at the west side now, if you're living at the east side and work at the west side now, so you have to drive. Now I gotta tell you no lie. Couldn't do that bus life then, no man. Couldn't do the bus life then, man, but bring back memories, you see my people. I've taken the bus back in the days. Used to live on the bus, you know, man, my people. That memory, you know, and bus was my favorite thing because it used to make me find out more about Canada, Toronto. I've taken the bus more than driving back in the days, so I learned all the streets them by just taking the bus. Remember one time I just reached up here and my people, and I just stood down on the train going one side to the next side. I stop at a subway station, go upstairs and look what they place the name, what they place the name. All I station them, you know, my people. Nah, joke, man, nah lie, man. So, that is the lifestyle of taking the bus right now. You want to make sure when you get up, nothing to drop out of your pocket, you know, man. Because I remember I used to work all them bus job here, you know. I used to work them bus job here, I work on the bus them, you know, my people. Be phones and stuff, me used to find earpods. When I used to work for the TTC them, you know, but I used to drive in a garage and make the board and clean the bus them, you know. But right now, people, this is Kennedy Station right now. And now we're gonna head down to the subway station. So this is the famous Kennedy Station. A long time in a reach right I say to my people. Yeah man, Kennedy Station used to be the after school spot right there, so I bring back on the memories, you know. Everybody always buy a one pizza right there, so party. But on the right that's a real party spot, man. A real party spot. The real party spot a Warden Station, you know what? We have go over Warden Station now, people, because I don't know. I win again, I go jump back on a bus or a train until probably summer, you know, and I go train really take, you know. Because I don't know, so I carry by in a summertime. But other than from that, I don't know when I really jump back on a train or a bus. So, you know what I go do? I go stop off a Warden Station so you can see what I talk about and probably bring back a whole heap of memories back in the days, them, you know. I usually just jump on the bus and stop at Warden Station for a nice Jamaican party or one of them hot dogs. Me sue them selling in the shop with a hot dog bun. I probably have to buy one of them then I hope them take debit. Alright my people, so you train them, you know, my people. Train them and forward in, but you, I go stop off now. I just go jump on one of them train from quick and fast. Yeah man. So this is the train lifestyle my people, so I go stop at Warden. I'm not worry about if you get no nice seat. So this is how the train station look on, you know. This is at Kennedy Station my people. Yeah man, so right so you come out now and you jump upstairs, you know. You hear from your ear that I know say train about to go, you know, man my people. No problem if you take a train, you know, safety wise or nothing like that, just no argument with nobody, you know man, because you don't want to lick down or somebody out there, so you know, you see it, so we just take one seat from now. But yeah, this is Kennedy subway station, and right now we're heading out to Warden Station. You understand? So this is the bus life, you know, my people. So when we reach Warden, my people, we make you know. People, so right now, just arrived at Warden subway station. Remember them place I know with people. Yeah man. So we just reached Warden subway. I'm gonna walk over to the famous Warden subway party stop. You see it? So when you come at Warden, you have to make your stop right here. So we just show now the place looking at my people and showing them say, listen, you work in a Scarborough or even work downtown, you don't need to drive, you know. You don't need to drive none at all. You just jump on the subway and you reach where you go. Quick and fast, easy as that. But now cold time now, you know, so you have to bungle up because well cold out there, you see. So, I don't know, I don't probably look change up to me. I don't want to get out. Look like inside here change up, my people. Yeah. One station change up. Yeah, my people, so I don't know which party. A passenger pickup look like them cancel out the area, the food area, because I never see one station so yet before. Yeah, so look like they cancel out the food area at the station because everything is just exit now to street. You could just walk in a water station and walk back up to the food court area them having on the station. Look like they got rid of it. Yeah, look like they can get rid of it, my people. So at least when I get to update now, if you know how I want anyway still. But look like they can get rid of it, alright. So if you just go back upstairs. Just go back upstairs then, yeah, my peeps. I nothing no no there then. What around here, so nothing still not there so either. Yeah, so we just go back upstairs then. And ting. So yeah, my people, me just try to show you what's new with the areas and stuff like that. Really want to try to do some different kind of content this year on the channel and show you here and around seeing we Toronto side, you know. We have the time we can drive out further, but you have to have money to do that, to drive out. We out and, you know, still have work on the dream house too, right? So we are going to take a look at time. But again, my people, we are one station and it's two subway now, my people. So one go east, one go west. And we are go west side right now. So the next stop are going to be VP them, you know, Victoria Park Station. So glad them change up one, my people. Me never know. But at least this is a learning lesson. And that's why I come out to do it still. But we're going to head downtown right now. Next stop are going to be downtown. We're going to get off at, I think, Young. I probably walk out to Young and show you how this looks to you, but I'll get off at Young and jump on the next train and go to Eaton Center because I kind of look hungry right now. I want to get up some energy before the video take down the mall area and then I'm sure we will eat too. Because we are going to all day today. Holy. So that's my people. Go and like, share and subscribe to the channel. That's cool. Right now we're at one of the busiest intersection for a train station in North America. Right now, people, we are at Young Bloor Station. Right, one of the one I go up to the part of more good. So we're at Young and Bloor Station right now, people. So still I tried it. I make it downtown. Let me hear a train now, southbound me I go to, you know. Cha. So now the train station is connected to two train stations, you understand? Connect to the northwest, north-south, and east and west. So now we're at the Bloor side. And from Bloor now, we are go down. How this I go southbound, right? Yeah man, a southbound, we are go down one man. I think I boot where they are Bloor right now. You see what people want to make sure I go the right way, you know. But this one now should take me to the mall. So if you're there right that's your first time, you want to go to southbound when you reach us. So yeah man, see it now people. So southbound you're there so now, you know. So you follow that. You can go anywhere you want to go. So right now I go jump on the train. Show you where I go on, you see it. Yeah man. So right now people, I'm going to hit it to the mall right now. So that's the southbound train to hit the mall, the Eaton Center. And we're going to see where I go on at Eaton Center. We'll probably get some food first. And then we'll go and walk it and show them where I go on straight through. You see it? Yeah man, but we're going to link up at Eaton Center with all of them. And we're going to get some food too. We're linking up to same way. Yeah, let's go. Yo, I'm not see that. Years now, I'm not see your face in already.
Yeah.
Yeah, years now, I'm see that. Well, bro. Long time no see you there. Come here, look at your face as well. Let me say. That's the man your face in a long time. I can't him. How you go, Southbound?
Yeah, this is in South.
Yeah, man, a Southbound, man. Got in center. Y'all got probably northbound. That's why you have to go upstairs and go over. Alright, bless up yourself, bro. Yeah, man, people, so. This is one of the nutrients. I think this is one of the nutrients that them have right as well too, you know. Yeah. So you see the difference how this one looks. So this is one of the nutrients compared to the older train. The old train always up on line one. The east-west train always have an old train and they never upgrade them on there yet. We don't see one new train over this in our years. But right now, we're gonna hit it to the mall. Probably get some food first. And then we'll start doing some recording again. You see what people go and stay tuned. Take the train so long. So right now my people, them change the name of Dundas Station to TMU Station. So when they did them, I say TMU and Dundas Station me there. So then when them change the name, you know my people. So right now it name TMU Station and that's still Dundas Station. Alright, so it's the train. It's like a little baby New York, you see my people. It's like a damn man, it's a turn just like a baby New York still. So right now we're just gonna be heading downtown. We're downtown right now still. It's about 5:30 right now. We have a lot of hours right now before the countdown begins. So we have to go and wait. Probably got 2 bar. No bar, no beer. But I got 2 restaurant time, you know. I'll see you at night check we still, but we downtown more show no what I go on downtown on a day like this. You see it? So you guys just want to check it out. And again, I think after 7 o'clock, the TTC is free. Upstairs at Dundas Street. But I'm going to walk through the mall and show you how Dundas look right now. So, anybody remember? Yeah, that's how they were people. We haven't took the train in so long to show these sides. Respect, Father. You know, so I think the mall is probably closed. As I know Year's Day, but we want to go upstairs showing which part with it. Young and Dundas, you understand people? I don't know what that if a fire alarm or they must say the mall is closed. Or what that. But yeah my people, you can know how it is down here. This is Young and Dundas. We're going up top right now. Yeah man. So this is at the mall. Yeah, man, with people outside live and direct for the New Year's. You see? I want to show you different vibes. For a long time, I don't take the train and the bus come downtown. This is it. I'm all change it up nicely and all this. Big Christmas setup and stuff like that out here. Yeah, man, people, but the mall look like it's closed. But we're still gonna walk through the mall, make gonna see what I go on. But more want to say, we outside, see them, we have Young and Dundas. I think we go watch a movie, you know, go watch Avatar. Because we're down here already. And we have to go kill some time, because outside too cold for me stay. But right to some people, this is how you look downtown right now, you know. Yeah, Young and Dundas right now, my people. So if you know, so for the New Year's later on, down here, so I can pack up with a lot of people down here right now. So check it out. You know, everybody's up here. Try to do them thing. Got some Jamaicans over there, so enjoy themselves, you know. I have Skink man there, right? Just I go and skink it out too. Bless up my family. Long time, man. So you go and do your thing, man. Bless up. So me I come downtown, come show you. Okay. So I go down here, you see? That's code, man. So I go on for the New Year's down here now.
Oh, well, a man like me, I'm actually going to Waterloo still.
Oh, damn.
I'm not gonna lie.
Alright. 4 hours, so you're just waiting it out to make the trip there.
But down here, we usually, every single year, we have a countdown Bro, last
Where's the
time-
countdown? Right here?
Right here in the middle.
But them not gonna have the fireworks down up in here.
If I'm not mistaken, we should have it.
I think I don't buy the arbor for, but hopefully we can see it from right here.
I
So
was gonna
still.
say, here would be a good spot.
So by 10 o'clock right here, so start get busy with people in
About
tonight.
10, 11.
So better I'm go watch a one movie for now then and wait it out until them time there.
Burn some time right now, yo.
So that me I go to the people. I go watch a movie and burn out some time. I got a warehouse over here so first, eat some food, and I will go up there so. But people with there young and done that, is it? You have Instagram, my brother, bless up yourself now.
I don't have Instagram. but
YouTube.
I do have
TikTok, anything, tell them.
TikTok. I have a TikTok. It's called The Presence. DEPRESSNTS. I'm also an artist. Yo, you mind if I shout it out?
Yeah, man.
My name is Mai, M-A-I. You can search it up. My biggest hit is called New Yorker last night. You'll find it.
Alright, my people. I'm a director too, you know, my brother.
Okay.
Director J, man. But my YouTube for this, a 416-876 Jamaica. So, you see we over there, so. But me just there, I don't stay out there too long. It's too cold. Bless up yourself, yeah, man. But Instagram, Director J, alright? Director J. Director J-A-Y. Yeah, man. Alright. Bless up on yourself, man. Bless up. So it's a New Year's ago, my brother. But that's a show Jamaican spirit down here, you know. So love, you see my people. That. You just say a vibe out down here for the New Year. Say Jamaican vibe we down here holding our people. Alright, my father, bless up here. So my people. And everybody angry, upset and madly crazy more time, you know. You just respectful to talk to somebody and then, you know. They don't want it on camera and they on camera. If they want it on camera, then they on camera. I understand my people, so just respectfully I go through. But yeah, we're at Eating Center right now. And like some people, I might just go watch a one movie because I don't get to by myself. So I just want to forward and bring back my old memories. When I did at the mall back in the days, I just come to Canada. And you know, I don't have too much people to really walk around with. So I say, you know what, I want to do this for myself for the New Year. I don't want to do a party. I don't want to chill outside. I remember music come back down here by myself. So I say, you know what, I want to show you this as if it was a new Jamaican person I come to Canada. You understand? Look like the people are trying to close up the mall right now. Shit. We can't walk go through to the next side. So I have to go walk downstairs and go, damn. Alright, blessings there. So yeah, my people, so them are trying to close up the mall. And right now, we're there at the Eating Center. Yeah, man, so like the New Year's, I got festive outside. But only for people, because we come down here too early. About 6 o'clock right now. So you know, so the next 5 hours we still before anything. So I might go watch the Avatar movie. I go walk over the movie theater area and see what time the movie I go start then, if anything. And just go and go watch one movie until we're ready to go enjoy the New Year surrounding, you understand? So I walk, I go through still. Eating Center is known, you know, my people. Yeah, man, Eating Center known for all of the girl them. Yeah, man, so all of the girl them there Eating Center back in the days them. When you're high school youth, you don't have nothing to do with your time. I tell you, school done, so you either Yardie Mall, Eating Center, Scarborough Town Center. Yeah, man. If anybody remember what I talk about, see, when I talk to them, I just heal up. The man there used to be dancer. Be a dancer youths them. All over. Put on the glasses soon to now, and son, I love the glasses, you know. But I like glasses more. So right now, people, you go walk down stairs, like them are trying to close off the mall still. But the stores them gonna be closed, you know, my people, so we can't really show on the inside of the stores them. I might just go get food. So you collect them lock off the food court. Like there was a stabbing, they were saying on the intercom just happened. But I don't know, this is Toronto. This is downtown Toronto. Yeah, because I'm done him investigation.
Thank you for your cooperation.
So I just that, you know.
Your attention, please. May I have your attention, please?
Downstairs the mall. Downstairs the food court area.
At this time, our investigation is complete.
You said the food court area, but again, my people, I never know, sir. Them not close the mall so early. Cause it's just 5:30. But again, a New Year's Day, right? Not even New Year's Day, New Year's Eve. We're there, but I'm not going to see this video. New Year's Day. But I don't know, so I not close it. God know. I still have to walk it through and show you what open and stuff like that. Same way. I'm not going to make inside mall tour. I do a different mall tour video, my people, because I don't want to run up the video here. Really want to show outside of the mall and the opening for the countdown. So, and that we mostly like really show in the vlog here, because I know so the mall are closed, so I don't want to go now a nice mall walk through video still.
You work here?
No. Yeah, man. Like my work here. Should I say, yeah, that is it. But probably go fire about outside with the dogs them. Listen to some dancehall on the area, you know what I mean? Something different. Cause everybody go downtown later, you know. So them things I really want for sure. I really want to talk upon the vlog, yeah. But I want to walk and show you the nice Christmas setup. Then we'd have in here first before we leave alone. So I want to show you that. Because they have a nice little Christmas big tree. Where them put up, you see it? Yeah, man, say. You see the mall are closed up, you know. I used to work in the mall, you know, my people. Used to do marketing for the brand company. So you used to give out flyers and stuff like that in the mall, you know. But that was back in the days. It's like probably like 2011 times. I'm gonna start the security job. Now I think before I'm done high school, now 09, now 010, I'm gonna do security job with my people. Yeah, no lie. But yeah, man, check it out here. TNA, Freedom, you know. Like at JD Sports is coming here also. This is the spot to be when you're downtown. Yeah, man. All the pretty girl them from here. Every side I hear. Not Toronto, the GTA. Find them way down here, so. All of the man they find them way down here, so. But look on this Christmas setup here. Wow. Watch that. No, sir. We have to go upstairs. We see that one here, man. Probably have to come back to them bank here, you know. We have to go upstairs, my people. See them be a nice Christmas setup inside here, man, my people. Watch that. Look at that. Watch that, my people. Wow. My virgin that tell me that, you know, big up my virgin. But that tell me say them always every 2 hours them do shows. But I don't know what I'm gonna do for this year. Watch that be a big setup them have down here, man. I'm gonna go up on the extreme top for showing what I go on. Yes, I. Yeah, man, so I'm really taking for Christmas, man. I'm really set up a thing there, man. Watch my people. I'm still a walk, you know. I hope say I enjoy the vlog, you know, man. Happy New Year vlog, you know. First video and I get for New Year's tomorrow, you know. The countdown and everything. Yeah, man. This is the lifestyle. So you're over there, so. Until I change up color. Yeah, look at that. Now I change up color. Look how big it is. I have all of those other stuff right here too. Reindeers and stuff, Christmas lights and stuff going through. Right, that's the same way. Still have a place the money can come by and get the stuff them, you know. And that's up to Uno still. But today's gonna be a different vibe. Go over a place and go get some food, cause I done do this video right here, so cause the mall closed and we still have the Apple store. So one of the famous place in the people. You're there high school and thing. Right, that's when school done, you don't have nothing to do, man. When the place has just open, I say, when Apple Store just open, then get the brand new and fame, man. I'm not telling no lie. I think, I suppose else we can walk. Because this side, no, the next side of the mall, you see it? And you know, so you can walk underneath the mall, go over to the other side, got a Sheraton Mall. You can go so much places from just underneath the mall. Remember me tell you that. It's like a town underneath the mall by itself. Right there, so they have some Jamaican party place downstairs. Oh, it closed. Food all closed too. Everything are closed up on people. I never know say everything was gonna be closed. Take me the right on time, you know. I mean I try to make it before 6 so see the activity, but everything will be outside just now, so why? Yeah, more want to go over here, so I'm showing over here, so look too. So this is downtown Toronto for the New Year's, my people. It's the eating center in the mall. More want to go through this thing because we might, if nothing I go on the eating center side, you can do that. I know something going to take place over by City Hall. And I say I want to do this video for you, man. Something different, man. Change up the vibe on the channel a little bit. If I go back out there and take my bus and go around, and I don't like driving in Toronto traffic here, that's gonna be it. So right now, my people, look at how this look. So this is the one of the crossover for go into the bay. And you can walk from right there, so go all the way underground, go all the way down. And you probably can walk from right there, so go all the way down to Union Station under the ground. Go under the ground, look right there. Yeah, man. So I don't tell me there. Right, I said, nice to do a music video too, you know. Put up just one light, somebody a rap and too. Yeah. So, one of the big drilling of holes underneath the ground, man. Underneath the earth. So, yeah, people, I don't have much more to really show on the side of then. So, I go wait till later. I'll get some food right now. And then I go wait till later. Show you what take place outside. That's a code. Downtown Toronto, my people. And look how they have the market opening also here too. So I'm gonna go check the market. They have like a food market that opens over here. But people, we're gonna go to Warehouse. Anybody remember Warehouse back in the days? That's where I'm gonna go get some food. People, we can't go to the movie theater because we're gonna miss. If we go watch Avatar, we're gonna miss the countdown. So that really come down for. But look at this. You get a lot of different stuff over here. But I'm gonna go in Warehouse, go vibe out, chill out for a bit. And there's warm music I play. And we're gonna show you, make a couple orders. And show you our order over there so you understand. But yeah, this is a little food market, little thing they have over here. And it's all open tonight. So it's like a little food market area. So yeah, a lot of little dishes that you could order and little specials. This guy look like they're more in a taco style right here. They have 1 pound wings or half pound wings with fries, $11.20. But 4 pound wings, $7.99. What? Oh, $57.99. And 1 pound of wings with fries, $20. But I'm not gonna sit in the cold and eat. We're gonna go in Warehouse where we can be more comfortable and kill some time and vibe out, probably meet some new people and stuff like that. I understand. But we're the downtown Toronto with people. I haven't been downtown Toronto on a New Year's Day in probably over 15 years. Cause I always do a party, but always I try to do something and not reach downtown. I mean I say more do the one different, you see it? Yeah man, so we are looking for a bank now because what we are with people, them don't take debit card. So that's one thing you have to look out for. Warehouse do not take debit. So if you come here and I try to use a debit, Them do not take debit. Alright, my people. So I'm just go back in the mall and got the bank machine and pull some cash out. But yeah, this is all. Alright, I said the ball I go drop tonight, you see it? For 2026, so want to make sure you see it, you see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, I say it I go drop tonight, man. Alright, I said them have a 4-way crossing. This are the main, you know? Rather young and done that. So everything I got happen right here. So either right here, so, or we probably have to go walk over to the city hall, city center. We see the Toronto sign and everything. So, but right here says like local, local New York. With all the screens and stuff all around, you know. So we're gonna watch the countdown right here. So I'm gonna see what I go on. That's a code, man. Best believe. Downtown. Go and watch the people them. This a look a different vibe. With the people them downtown. Man them still a dance and thing. Man them outside same way. But yeah, hungry now. So need some food now. Stomach. That is it. So right now my people, this is meal number 1. I see we can get about 3 meals today. Music I play too loud, so you don't know. You have to cut it out right away. But that's a code. The wings price right here, so we'll go again for the next few. You know, New Year's, right? Come on now. Vlogs right now, my people. It's around 10:30 in the night. But they are young and done the same way. But right now, I'm gonna walk around to City Hall because I don't see the setup I go on round yourself. So I don't know what I go on, but I know so them probably are going to change the countdown to all these right here you see, you know. But you normally have some around here, so, you know. But this year I don't see it. I think around I have to go back around a City Hall, you know. So around a City Hall, I go walk, go and make you see it, but walk on, bless you, bless you. Yeah man, yeah man.
The food?
Bad man, mash it up and now back on the road again.
Okay.
Yeah man, so now you're around a City Hall and do the thing.
Alright, see you. Wait, boss. Can I give you my IG?
Yeah man, I follow you back on it man.
Oh, no,
You had message me?
Oh yeah, I did message you.
I message you back bro. Yeah man. Alright, good. So right now we're still downtown, police them full up the streets. Anything can go on with them because idiot boys there. Youngins downtown, you know. Yeah man, that's why I never drive my car. Come down here, you see the people. But people may never know say
that we may know
go
him who
close
is true, and that we may be
area.
in him who is true,
right?
in his son.
So when they close the mall area,
This is the true
everybody get knocked. Because I know so everybody always stay to warm up themselves, you know. So when you do that now, nobody now want to stay downtown. So if I city hall tardy, you walk around the city hall, so you're there on Dundas. So the place look nice down here, my people. If you come a foreign in winter time, and this is what I want to come for. In the winter, spend a 2 weeks in Toronto. You have Blue Mountain, you do a couple winter activities, couple winter sports, and other than from that, you just go back to your yard, yeah, man, because no more not really there for do, you know. I'm not going to tell you no lie, because out here so cold. Yeah, man, outside up on a different type of topic, a different type of breed, type of cold pan, them New Year's data. Yeah, man, but we just eat some food, get our one beer from a nice store, and you know, so we are going to go and chat it outside so you can see the difference. Alright, so I can walk out. No, I walk on the street. I could walk this and go around. I walk to this and go down the city hall. Nah. Go show on the street side. That what they are the vlog for. Streets, you know. Yeah man, the nightlife. People if you know what I'm to do. Nightlife vlogging. Downtown Toronto. Can come back, you see it. Showing the party style. Here the man thing. You used to have fun and stuff, but now the party club scene only. The part one part now. And that's at King Street West. The party scene are really there. It's party normally there. People me say me on cold. Don't know why. Who tell me say me for come down? Come do them vlog here today. But you want to change up things. You want things that will be different. Hey cool. Yeah man. I'm going to find a one store. We're going there. I show with the university already. Shit. Think it's a beer, you know. I walk down beer. Because it's cool. And the breeze will lick me. They're weird. More time when it's cool, you know, my people. You can mine it, you know. From the breeze. Nah, blow. You can mine it. But right this now, people. The big thing that's in front of we. That's the city hall. So, probably around this, so. The how do we countdown and stuff, you know. Yeah man, downtown nice. At night time man, if you have a condo downtown, I tell you say yeah man. And if you work downtown, plus have a condo downtown, you're golden man. You don't need nothing more. Now I'm gonna tell you no lie. You don't need nothing more. From you have a condo downtown and you work downtown. You don't need no car or nothing like that. You just don't say subway and bus take you everywhere where you need to go. No joke. Yeah man. Think this a garden. No, not a garden. Hotel this, you know how it hotel name. Marathi. How it hotel name. How that? How could hotel you so? Think they have a different name. I have a beach store in there too. But yes, my people, we are make it. This is the city hall at Toronto, you see it? Downtown Toronto, we there. The heart of downtown. Middle of downtown. Courthouse, tax, every little thing around here, so. Or you have to come downtown for, you see it? Yeah, man. So I say vibe, look. Over there, so look pretty. So I want to go over there. I like all over there, so look Christmassy, you know. People, I saw me I go live, you know, so I don't know much. Over there, so look nice, man. Nice and Christmassy over there. But we are walking around in City Hall. So people stay tuned. Me get back to you just now. We're approaching City Hall. So access to City Hall, right? So right now, this is downtown Toronto. The City Hall is where I think they're going to do the celebration to count down to the New Year's. But the fireworks now I'll go on here, so fireworks down at the lake shore. But down there so even more cool. Down at harbour front, you know. But see it now people. See big setup here out here, so man. Now I go in the mall and warm up my hand. But I walk up first and show you. Because I vlog, I go vlog it next now. But see it my people. Downtown where they know, man. See city all light up at night time. See skating right here, so. Yeah man. Skating ring and everything. Right here, so. Nice little Christmas celebration. Christmas tree. So by the next hour, run us soon be packed of people. But I go up on phone just now. I'm gonna do a live. I'm gonna see. Yeah man. So see it now. Glad them have some cool fun game things right for kids them are. I don't know because it makes sound. When I go through it. Make some sound. I don't know how I go on with it, you know. Like your music I play. Oh, look like you have stand up on it. But yeah. Look at the Christmas slide he set up. I think so this after the New Year thing, you know. And bam right there so there with people. Toronto. Yeah man. Fireworks. I'll put some may I use this, you know. Yeah man. That I thumbnail right there, so. And that are the code. That's the back of the class today again. Yeah, man. Right to see you getting married and thing too. Yeah, man, right there, City Hall. These right then. Snacks. You know? Out here cool, my people. I'm not going to tell you no lie, you know. Remember when I tell you, see a high step on the ground, you know. Yeah, man. I mean, I come out in the brown jacket and the goose. So you don't know. Because I think me could stand up in the mall and wait till the activity then start. I just run out and go back out. But I never saw it go. A sad story. I come round and see I can't go over there. I'm reaching here. But see it there. This is the place I go look at, see my people. So I'm going to do a live stream right now. I'm going to the mall first. Go warm up my hand. And use the washroom and thing. And come back out fresh again. And do a live stream. Probably going to do both. But when the fireworks, when the people are big celebrating people, I put it on the camera. But we are going to do a live stream. Because I don't tell you, so we are going to do that too. Yeah, man, downtown with them, man. If you want to stay close to downtown, may always put the shirt on hotel. Right, that's so. Nice hotel lot to book. Me not going to tell you no lie. And right there, they have the Hilton Hotel. Also, and every local thing. Watch how many people, $3 hot dog, you know. Downtown, you know. Remember that, you know. See the price, eh? $3 hot dog. Yeah, man. Big deal that you get here. So right now we're on Queen Street. Let's see if we can walk through the mall. Hopefully, them not close and knock we out. Because we're on them cool. Holy. On them cool up people. So hopefully it's not locked. It shouldn't be locked though. And yeah. This is the Sheridan Hotel. Right here. And it's like it lock up or something will go on here, so we don't know what will go on. My people, I don't lie too, no. Downtown Toronto with people right there, we all catch a parade, you know. We all catch a festivity right now downtown Toronto, see how the place look at my people. Yeah, man. About 30 minutes until the fireworks and the countdown to 2026, you know. So we're downtown and showing the place, showing the vibes. I'm gonna walk on the road because too much people. Yeah, man, look how much, watch my people. Look at people. Look at that, my people. No joking thing now, watch my people. You not tell me son about 1 million people that. Watch it. You not tell me about 1 million people that you not see right now. Downtown, you know my people. Everybody, I march to waterfront. Yeah, man. Nah, Harbour Street there this year. Not Nathan Phillips Square. Downtown, by the waterfront. Yeah, man. Well, pack up outside. See it, my people. No joke, none of the thing, man. Well, pack. No, not a bit this pack up. Wow. Look at that, my peeps. Come like me downtown. Downtown Jamaica. Right now. Nice festive time right now too, you know. People at 25% left on my phone and I have to deal with my screen. No, sir. Not deal with my screen. Not deal with my screen. I can't make the battery go dead out for me, you know. Then last half an hour, yeah. No, sir. We have to get the fireworks. How much money upon? 25. 25% should take we out. 35 minutes. Yeah, man. In the next 20 minutes, fireworks are going to go on, you know. So we don't tell the people. Here people that make nice on the streets. Yeah, man. Outside cool. But look at them girly. Them are rough it up more than me, you know, because a skin alone them have. They not nothing, they not have pants on, skirt. The people are screaming me. Mad part of Toronto spirit that hearing people outside. Yeah, man. But look at it. Outside, man, I'm march, people. And I enough phone bank for me. With a 24% CM way. I think we have enough power, man. 30 minutes right now. 20 minutes right now. Nothing to watch I got dead, man. Nothing to go dead up for me still. But we can go stop our next. We can go stop our next tour first. For 1 10 minutes tour. I'm going to for 1 10 minutes till I can plug in my charger. That side depend. So I see I can go plug in my charger. No man, I think we can make it here, man, people. Inside this side, you know. I think we are gonna make it with people. We have 24% left on the phone. So we are gonna go and walk it out straight. Think it out the door for me. I'm gonna try to charge it up before I'm coming up. 50% to the depot. But yeah, man, people say downtown Toronto live and direct on the holiday season. Everybody are oh shit. Everybody are coming just like and like up the channel, like up the channel, like up the channel. You see it? Just come in and like, my people, come in and like. Yeah man. You go and walk the street. Town Toronto. Right now, the fire is going to be in 15 minutes. Yeah man, we have 23% on it, man. I think we are go dead out. I think we should be fine. We should be fine still. For sure of that. Right downtown at the art with it. Right by the harbour front with people. We said cold downtown, people. It's cold. Let me see. If the building made open, I could have walk go in there. Charge up my phone. If you look a bit. I'm not think that open, peeps. I walk around to see them way. Go closer and closer to the place where I have to be. We find a charger. We find a charger. No lie, I'm living in Toronto, but he give me some good vibes. Feel like I'm there. Oh yeah, I know good thing that, man. And make sure you like up a like button in, man. That's a code. Yeah, people down here, no? Yeah, people down here for the festive time. Yeah, man. Almost 1 million or more. People fly out just to come to Toronto. Opening the number of people. I'm not gonna lie to you, you know. Yeah, man. Watch it. And again, my people on the vlog inside. Live, me I do my depon right now. Just who not see one. So, if you hear me talk, in a video like this, people, live with it. So, with the 23% same way, people. 23% same way. And we have 20 minutes. And we have 23%. So, we're there on time, man. If anything, we're there on time. Look how much people down here, my people. Watch it. Look how much people. Watch it. Watch it, my people. Holy. Look there. That's crazy. Walk around the area, man. Like cold. People cold and a tour. I have to work with it. So how side am I going to do it? How side are they on?
Go back.
How side? I'm asking security. Oh, sorry. Hey guys, which side is gonna be on? Hey guys, which side is gonna be on? Which side? Which side is it gonna be on? Fireworks. Over this side?
Yeah, this
so,
side should be better.
So go down this side? Alright man, thank you.
On the lake side.
Alright. So everybody head to the lake side for the fireworks right now. We're up on 22% and stuff. One building there right there, so you know. I don't know if someone gonna let me in there. And people, what them do in Toronto now, then plug up. They lock up all the charging ports them. Where you get for charge all of one phone. But no, I can't go in there, so. No, I can't go in there, some people, so. That's just that. We're up on 22%. 19 minutes before fireworks to go. So, that's a lie, you know. But we see all the people in there, so. In there, some want to go. Just want me get to go in there, so. Can at least plug it in. See a charger right in the man. Can't plug it in for a good 5 minutes and run out, you know. So at least we know that dead out. Somebody open it. everything pan the vlogging same way, you know. But the live they just kick we off just to call the people. So we don't know what I go on. Downtown packed with people right now, people. People everywhere. Right now. So now coming back on the live streaming people, coming back. There you watch it. Right downtown right now people. We live and direct. Same way. We don't know what happened to the live stream, they just call my people. But it just kick we off. Probably too much people are coming through. But we're back downtown with the countdown right now. Be people downtown. Same way. I see me can go up on the hilltop here. So we can show you a better views. Again my people, I don't know what happened. With the live they just call. But they just cut we out. Too much people downtown people. Watch it. And downtown cool, you know. Watch how people, how much people downtown. Look how much people downtown. Yeah man. Not joking that. I don't know what happened just now a while my people. But it just kicked me out. Hopefully we can save a life. Then we'll save the one with it too. At the end of the day. But I don't know what happened. Just come in and like up back the button my people. Just come in back. You see it. At least we still make it on time, you know. We never lose hope, we never lose faith. Same way. Still make it on time with people. 41686 people. Still make it on time. So I can't say we don't make it on time. Shout out to everybody on the live. Because people with the live same way and watch you, you know. So anybody there on the live, shout out to everybody. Welcome back. I'm going to see if we can still post them 2 live there. We'll go on and see it, but we don't know what happened. But people got the countdown soon begin, you know. But look how much people downtown Toronto. Yeah man, we are going to hurry up man, we have to hurry up, you know. The last 10 minutes, the people are in condo. I watch out. Watch out over there, some people well ram up, well pack up, you know. Over there, so well pack. Yeah man. So we're outside seeing where people are get the fireworks countdown. Right and now. A long time, you know, stay. Take bus come downtown, you know, my people. Sorry, my family, they're right in my view, bro. And here comes the brightest one. Yeah, man, go on, man. Stink. So, we're there, my people. We're there, right outside. See, they got them outside, people, you rich people are outside, you know, people. Although we take a bus and we have to see them way. Rich people, hey. They got about a couple $1 billion for that, you know. So, they got the nice over there, so. I gotta lie to people, like me say. Don't know what happened to the last live. I try to resume it and probably at the timing cut out, you know, probably go over the 1 hour or hour and a half mark or something like that, and it just bounce me out. So we are trying to get back in and it ain't that happen. So just people, how much people are come and people like fly are come down right now, you know man. For the countdown in Toronto, you know. People like fly are come through, you know my people. Look at that. Yeah man people, my back right away man, I say you know, I'm not gonna miss it. Because the people them dip on the live and want to see it. Some say I go hurry up. Hurry up for just showing what I go on, you know. All the moon out we do, you know. Don't worry about the moon outside, still cold. Yeah man.
Everywhere, the whole shoreline.
We are gonna see how this look, you know man. I want to see how this light up, I see this light up. I never see this. I never come down the side there for winter yet. To see light up on the harbour front shore. But we there Nathan Phillips Square or Dundas Square, you know. But we never come down the side there yet. Because they so down here so cold man. I'm trying to do them video them, you know. So down here so cold man, my people. Yeah man. So in no time right now, my people, fireworks go light up. Still a video right after too, you know. Still I get the clippings them, see me seeing toward the right, that's why you know my people. Still I get the clippings them. Come in and like up the like button, you know my people. Send it back out there, no? Send it back out there. That's the code, man. Send up the likes, my people. Send up the likes. Send up the likes. Fireworks soon begin. What time, Virgin? What time? What time is it? What time is it? What time is it on your phone? 8:55? Yeah. 11:55. People, 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. It, you know, bless up everybody. We come out to see it, so we still have vlog right there, so you know people. That is it, you know. We still have vlog it same way. Showing on the Toronto side of the countdown, you know. People in Jamaica are showing on the Jamaica side, we are showing on the Toronto. live stream countdown in Toronto. Share up the live, my people, make it reach on the family and friends them out here. You see it? That's a code. You see it? So outside, 3 minutes, so we have no people, 3 minutes. Oh bro, I got stuck up. Jaja, God. Jaja. Alright, now the best time for the, oh, at least I can see the Toronto vlog then. At least I can see the Toronto countdown. That is it then, man. But I know say Jamaican people out of the Jamaican side. We can see Toronto fireworks and thing. Because first time I really see it in a long time too, you know. Because I never come to waterfront because it's too cold out here, man. Now I got to tell no lie. Too cold. So I be ice up on the ground. People are slip on a slide. Now I got to tell you no lie. Oh, outside, same way. Fireworks. Big nice yacht there, so man. Alright, I got it soon ready up in our people. And so hear the people in my cheer and things like that. 1 minute to go, 1 minute to go. Like up the like button, my people. Like up the like button. Come in and like it, man, my people. We are trying. We never make it miss. We never make it miss with people. Say it on our people. Say it on our people. All of the crowd ready up here now, you know. Hey, Toronto come together more time, you know. I'm not telling no lie, you know. Come like when we did the Raptors game downtown. With the big celebration. And the big Raptors, about 3 million people come down to Toronto for the one day, you know, man. And Toronto Raptors win, you know. Yeah, man. Downtown was 5-4 hour, 3-2-1. When I reach there, you say, when I reach there, say, my people. When I reach there, say, not at all. Go on like up the like button, my people. Go on like up the like button. Watch it, for the place now. Hear that, hear that, hear that. Watch it, hear that. Yeah, Kianan, my people, Kianan, my people. Outside after 2025, my people. Say that 2026. Yeah, my people all over the Canadian day, my people. All over the Canadian day, my people. That's a code, you know, my people. Can't say nothing from 416 first, you know. You hear them big cannon there, boss? Yeah, man. Outside feet, man. That is a couple more cannon go off, man. Now stop this, sir. I go outside and big one. That's a code. Happy 2026 to everybody on the live, man. That is it. Way more cannon. I cannot alone, I'm going to give you a show. I cannot alone, I come from. Other nothing special like China. Alright, the 2026 in the sky. How are this, man? I can't this alone and send out. Hey, Toronto, I'm looking for you know. How are that? One local show right there, so. Hey, Toronto. No play away, you know. Cause cool, you know. Half the people must up in there, cool, you know. More here about the load cannon them out, man. Outside, man. Yeah, man, with people. Outside, man. People, me and them freeze me. And me I do this phone, you know. Cool up right now, with people. Cannon them a bus. I'm a bus with people. Yeah, man, happy 2026 to everybody. Outside. We come and witness it. We fight it through, you know. Fight it through 2025. Yeah, man, I can't that alone, I'm give away. No pretty big light. Where is that big light then? The one that done out over there. So that Toronto really give you alone. Jaja, God. That's all they give people. Can't believe so that alone they give you. No more. At that alone I come for. People, I'm sad. People, I'm sad. I'm not telling you, I'm sad. I'm sad. Come to me that but how much people don't have people? Almost 1 million, you know. Alright, people, so we have to head out here, you know. I will not think no more cannon. They might set off 2 more cannon, you know, but we'll get what we need to get, cause me not going on the rush with the people them for cut from out here, so now. So again, my people, on the vlog side, bless up to everybody. 416-876 Jamaica. We did it for the 2025 and now we just enter 2026 and the cannon still going on, but they're not giving no big lights. They still give 2 big lights still now, people. 2 big lights still going on.